Luckily, I was out patrolling on that day. When the call came, we did not know that there were injuries and there was a death also. Many injured were just laying at this place, and we managed to get all of the injured and inside this APC, this was the APC that we were in on that day. And this back side of the APC, this was the place where we just made the injured civilians sit. This center place was the place where our brother Sipahi Tariq, we had just made him sit, because at that moment we still thought that we could save him. I was taken first to Indian headquarters, where I was given first aid, and then I was flown to level 2 hospital, which was run by Ghana, and for there I was given treatment. I spent nearly 2 months in treatment, and the 2 months were quite long and difficult. And during my time over there, during my treatment, and the biggest motivating factor for me was my family. Every day lying there in the hospital, I was thinking about my family, that how am I going to greet them at the airport, how am I going to see my daughter, see my wife, see my mother, all of my family members. And now that I'm here with my family, with my daughter, with my wife, my mother, everyone, so every day is a blessing, every day is a bonus.